Hello friends, once again your favorite Dr. Swapnil Prabhulkar have come with the same tagline, simplicity at its best. Today we are going to see a step that is performed in the experiment of solvent extraction, and that step is the equilibration of the complex. Now friends, I have taken a solution of cobalt, that is cobalt solution. In that we have put 3 ml of concentrated hydrochloric acid. We have taken say 100 ppm solution of 0.1 ml of 100 ppm solution of cobalt, and in that we have put 3 ml of concentrated hydrochloric acid. In that we have put 5 ml of 20% potassium thiocyanate as the reagent. That reagent is going to act as ligand, and that is going to form the complex with the cobalt that is present in this. Okay. Now in this step, what exactly? This is a crucial step for solvent extraction technique. That equilibration of your phase. That is, this is the aqueous phase, as all the components of this phase are in water. So this is the aqueous phase, and we are going to extract out the neutral complex that is getting formed in the organic phase. Okay. For this organic phase, I am taking the N-butanol as solvent. Okay. This is the N-butanol, that is the solvent that we are going to use to extract the cobalt complex. So what I am going to do, I have taken this funnel. This is a specialized funnel known as separating funnel. It has two openings. It has one opening at the bottom, another opening at the top. From the top we are going to pour the solutions of interest, and from the bottom we are going to separate out the two different layers that will be formed due to polar and non-polar phases. Okay. Now I'll start with, I'll ensure that my funnel is totally closed. I'm keeping this to settle this down, and I'm going to pour the entire solution in the separating funnel. If you have more than one solutions, we have to ensure that the entire components of the flask have come. But as we are not going to take much time, so I'm not going to rinse this. Otherwise, it is ideally should be rinsed with very small amount of water, that is the aqueous phase. Now I'm going to take the solvent, and depending upon the availability of solvent, amount of solvent, I am taking 10 ml of solvent. Otherwise, ideally we can take 25 ml of solvent. So I am going to pipette this out. Now this is going to give me exact 10 ml of my solvent, exact 10 ml. If it is not, I can again ensure that it is exactly 10 ml. Now I am going to pour this entire solvent slowly into our separating funnel. Now look at the beauty of this experiment. See, now without doing anything, our complex has gone up into the N-butanol, because the density of N-butanol is lesser than water. So definitely your solvent will be above. Yes, you will find that there are two layers. There are two layers formed beautifully. Separation of the cobalt from the aqueous phase, which is here, has gone into the organic phase. Okay. Now the main part of this step is the equilibration of this entire thing, and that is to be done by ideally considering the time, that we are going to take for this step. I can say this as a sub step is 1 to 2 minutes, between 1 to 2 minutes, so that I can ensure the complete complex that has been formed inside the aqueous phase has pulled out in the organic phase of our solvent N-butanol. I'm looking at the watch so that we should not exceed the time. This is just to ensure already the equilibration has taken place. We are just ensuring that entire aqueous phase is being equilibrated with the organic phase, and the neutral complex that is being formed will be pulled in the non-polar organic solvent. It's done. Now see. Our entire complex has come in the organic phase, a beautiful red colored complex, that is cobalt thiocyanate complex, has been formed. Now after this, what we are going to do, this is one of the steps of solvent extraction. After this, the step will be, we are going to discard out the aqueous phase, because we are going to take the organic phase for the calibration curves, as well as if we have any unknown sample, we can find out the concentration of that sample by using the same procedure and taking the readings of, say, absorbance values on the spectrophotometer or colorimeter. Okay friends, this is what about the step for equilibration of metal complex in the from the aqueous phase to the organic phase. Okay, if you like the button, share the video and subscribe the channel.